Question. In Tara's ritual, as in most rituals, we offer to the deity a small figure of dough called the Torma offering. Torma. What is the reason for this offering? Answer. In general, offerings serve to accumulate merit and purify the veils. As for offering a Torma, it serves more to present our personal requests to the deity. We ask her to act in our favor, in favor of someone else, or in favor of a particular goal. Following the Torma offering, we recite a text in this sense. For example, it may be, "You who fully rejoice in the mandala creation, consume this well-made offering Torma. Give me and people around me health, life, power, glory, fame, luck, and abundant wealth. Give me the accomplishments of activities, such as pacification, increase, and others.